Welcome to another FIRS demo. In this demo I'm going to show you how to create an export set. An export set can be used to standardize the way you export your data, so you can use it in other systems or for analysis, and you'll get the same format of data every time. The first thing we need to do is create an export table. So from the Create menu we choose Export Tables. We add an export table and we'll specify that we're going to export at the tree level. And here we need to choose the tree output. Now what that will do, it'll create one record in this table for each tree that's been recorded in FIRS. So you can select fields from the inventory, stratum, plot or tree fields table for this example. So anything from the higher up the hierarchy you can select. So here I'm going to choose DBH in millimeters, I want THT and I want tree number. And from the plot table, I want to choose the plot number. And from the stratum, I want the stratum name and I want the inventory name. So that'll repeat the inventory, stratum and plot for each tree record that we export. Now we need to give them a position. So once we give them a position, they'll get locked into that position each time you run the export. So you just give them a numerical order. And once you've done that, you click the save. I'll add another one too, and I'll make it the plot level. So I'll choose plot here, and again I want inventory name, I want stratum name, I want plot number, but I'm also going to include measured date, who measured it, the plot size, the slope, the latitude and longitude, right, and any other range of things. You can also select custom fields or the quality for exporting. So I'll give them their positions again. And I'll save that. So now we've got two tables, we need to add them to a set. So we'll create an export set, and I'll add a new one. And I'll select those two export tables. So I'll save those now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a spreadsheet in the export, which will have one tab which will show one record per tree, and another tab which will show one record per plot. So what I do now is I go from the data menu, I select export, and you can select an inventory for export or multiple, and I'm going to use this button here, export using export set. It'll take me to a new tab, and then I can select my export set there. And then I can click this button here, export to export set format, and down comes here comes my data now. And you can see in here, we've got the tree tab, which is one record per tree in the fields that we've positioned, and the plot table, which is one record per plot. So that's all there is to an export set. That should give you some standardized format that you can use for taking your data into other systems and should streamline your process. Thanks again for watching this FIRS demo.